Hello, friends! Are you looking for a special bread recipe for Christmas? Here is one for you. To the warm water, add instant yeast and little bit of sugar. Mix and set it aside to rise. Here I have flour, cinnamon, and salt. To that, add sugar, milk, eggs, and olive oil. Mix, cover, and leave it to rest for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add flax seeds. Dust the surface with the flour and knead for about 12 to 15 minutes. Then shape it into a ball and use little bit of olive oil to grease the container and the ball. Cover and keep it in the fridge for overnight. Next day, take it 2 hours ahead of time to warm up. Then punch it down. I'm using here olive oil and take it out. This is chopped walnut. You could use any nuts you like. Here I have an empty can that I wrapped with a piece of parchment paper. It's a little short, so I'm just gonna stretch it. Looks good. Just put one end inside the other. I will cut about 2/3 through it and leave about 1 inch in between. Cover it with a wet kitchen towel to rise. Then just before you place it in the oven, brush it with olive oil. And first I will put it on this side for 15 minutes and then turn it for another 15 minutes.